Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have a new window in Adobe Illustrator. This window is very exciting and helps you to make logos. I'm talking about Pathfinder window. So let's start. To open this window, choose window and choose Pathfinder. This window is used for make compound shape like this by many tools. And the first tool today is unit tool. This tool is used for merging two shapes and pick up the color of the upper one. For example, I will select the two shapes here and choose unit. Now they are only one shape, and Illustrator take the color of the upper one and the stroke of the upper one like this. The next one today is minus front. This tool is used for cutting the upper one from the lower one. For example, I will select them and choose minus front. Now you can see Illustrator cut the upper one from the lower shape. The third one is intersect. This tool is used for removing shapes and only keep the intersection between them. For example, I will select them and choose intersect. Now you can see the intersection, only keep it. And it will be with the fill of the upper shape. The next one is exclude. This tool is used for cutting the intersection between them like this. The only intersection will be removed and the shape will be in the color of the upper one. The next one is divide tool. This tool is used for dividing the intersection between shapes. For example, I will select them and choose divide. Now you can see Illustrator dividing shapes. You can also select the compound shapes and choose expand, and now you can make ungroup and you can move any part like this. The next one is trim tool. This tool is used for removing strokes and cut the upper one from the lower one. For example, I will select them and choose trim. Now you can see all strokes are removed and the upper shape are removing from the lower one. The next one is merge tool. This tool is used for merging the two shapes in the lower and cut the upper one from them. For example, I will select them and choose merge. Now you can see the upper one cut from the lower one and removing strokes. What's the difference between merge and trim? If two shapes were with the same color, they will be merging. For example, I will go back and now choose the same color here. And now I will choose merge. You can see the two shapes here are merging. The next tool is crop tool. This tool is used for cropping any shape from other shapes. For example, I will make an ellipse like this and choose only stroke. And now I can select all shapes and choose crop. Now you can see all shapes are cropping in the upper ellipse. The next one is outline tool. This tool is used for removing fill and only make outline for shapes like this. Now you have only outline with the same colors of the shapes. The last tool is minus back. This tool is used for cutting the lower shape from the upper one. For example, I will select two shapes and use minus back. Now you can cut the lower one from the upper one. The last thing in Pathfinder window is expand option. This option is used for editing your compound shape before making it. For example, I will go back and now select my shape like this and click Alt and choose any of shape modes like exclude Now you can move the upper shape like this to choose your best view, and after finishing, select them and choose expand. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.